Finally tonight, preserving precious summertime memories dating back decades.
While the X grounds may be silent this season, there is a race underway to protect photos of yesteryear. CTV's multimedia journalist Craig Wadman takes a look.
What we're doing is we're scanning the cellulose acetate negatives from our Alexander Studio collection here at the CNE archives. It comprises 109,000 negatives, and all of them are suffering from vinegar syndrome. Vinegar syndrome happens when the emulsion of the negative starts to degrade and crack due to high humidity and pressure. And when that happens, little channels start forming across the image of the negative, and we end up losing the image entirely. One way that we can help the negatives is by scanning them and digitizing them, and then we package them and get them ready for long-term cold storage, which will slow down the vinegar syndrome. It won't stop it entirely, but it will slow down the degradation. We're starting in the late 1940s, when the collection starts, 1947, and we're scanning them sequentially until we reach the date 1981, which is when the collection ends. It's very important because the CNE holds so many amazing memories from all sorts of backgrounds, generations. For many Torontonians and people that live in the GTA, the CNE is a family tradition. In a lot of our negatives, we have images from the Blue Jays when they played their first ball game in 1977. We have a lot of really amazing memories captured on these negatives that we want to preserve so that people can look through them and enjoy them and reminisce about those days. We're asking the public for their help in order to help us preserve those memories.